Hello, hi, welcome back to Cincy's Garden. Today I'm doing a fishbowl terrarium. I'm setting it up with succulents and one cacti. Initially, I'm putting the stones at the bottom, and then I'm putting like a mesh on top, and then putting charcoal, and over the charcoal putting the cacti and succulent mix, and then around like 1.5 to 2 inches of cacti succulent mix you need, and then putting the plants on it, and over the plants, just layer the plants just with the cacti mix. No, don't put lots of cacti mix, only just enough to cover the plants roots. And then over that I'm putting the moss to keep to keep the plants moist and keep to give a good look on the top. And then you just decorate with, if you want any figurines, you can add some figurines. I'm just doing it with stones like pebbles, and then it will have a good look. Keep watching my video and to see how I did it, and to look after the terrarium. Don't water it every day, don't water it every week. Just look at the plants, and probably you will need to water it during the winter, probably once in 3 weeks, or once in a month maybe, or once in 2 weeks. Just look at the plants, don't overwater it, they will rot. And during summer you might need to water a little bit often, but just keep looking at the plants and have fun looking after the terrarium. It's very low maintenance, and it will last you a couple of years if you will look after it. Thank you very much. And if you have forgotten to subscribe my channel, please do like and share and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you very much.